Let's talk about the matching portal. We recommend to do a combination of a practical course, maybe a seminar, and some lectures. Just check our website. There we also give the advice in order to spread the workload. So do not take only lectures. As I said previously, practical courses and seminars don't even have an exam in the end, and lectures have only one final exam that defines your grade. The matching portal matches you with only one practical course and one seminar. So the maximum you can get allocated by the matching portal is one place in a practical course and one place in a seminar. And we also do not recommend to take several practical courses and several seminars. As a bachelor student, you should look for the bachelor courses, but if you are an advanced bachelor student, because your degree at your home university might have a 4th or 5th year, you might also be able to participate in a master's level course, be it a practical course or seminar or even a lecture, right? So just check that you meet the prerequisites. That's important. There might be a second matching round. There will be definitely a list of rest capacities where you can contact the lecturers directly and ask for a place. But again, it's not wise to take more than one practical course and one seminar per semester. And if you want to know more about the course descriptions, check IN.TUM online and the chairs websites. So we will go to the matching portal now. I should just show you how to navigate it. So you see here, I logged in to my account, and you need to log in as an exchange student. So not with your IN.TUM login, so with your exchange login, I sent to all of you the individual login. So click on practical courses, for example, and then you see the courses that are open for this matching period. It's 60 practical courses. Most of the practical courses have a capacity of 20 students, plus minus, some of them more. Here you now can click on ethical artificial intelligence. Then you see here it's a capacity of 20. There was a preliminary meeting via BBB. I hope you had the chance to participate in it. And then you click here and you see more information on it. If you did not participate in the preliminary meeting, I would recommend to contact the lecturer. So in this case, there are 2 lecturers. And on the second place, there's this Tobias Eder in this case. And often it's the people on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or 5th place that actually coordinate the course. So it's important to write one email to all of them. So address in one email the whole team. Do not write several individual emails. Write one email to 5 addressees and then make a request if you can still participate, even though you haven't participated in a preliminary meeting. And there's also a good example here that there's also a note here. Please apply to the course beforehand. And there are also the slides of the preliminary meeting. So if you click here, and this is the reason why you need to contact the lecturers. If they put that behind the IN.TUM login, then write to both of them that you cannot access this IN.TUM wiki. So you have made your choices. Let's go back to the practical course list. And then if you have made your list, what you want to do, then you click on participate. And what's important here is that there is no first come, first serve mechanism. So within that application window, you can make your choice. You can even change your choice in between that window of opportunity. And there is no disadvantage to add or list more or several courses. You cannot make yourself better or your priority higher by hiding preferences or not submitting your true preferences. So submit as many preferences as you have. Preferences means courses, and you're not decreasing your chances. The algorithm is not built that way. It's good to actually put many courses there. We recommend 10 if you really want to have a practical course. You are in charge of checking if there is an application, an additional application by email or what we've seen by the other portal. And it's also your responsibility to check if you have the formal prerequisites. It's not us checking it. it's you. And give rank to the courses as appropriate. And you can also deregister within the window of opportunity, the window of application. Let's have a look. So this is how my account looks like. You see here again, the students, you can enter your course preferences until Tuesday. And then the course organizer has also a say which students he or she wants to have. So it's good to be in contact with the course organizer, be it either through the preliminary meeting so that they know you've participated, or at least contact them via email that for an exchange student, it was difficult to participate. So just that they know. And I've given advice in the previously sent attachments how to address the course organizers. Let's get back to the matching. You see here, you have the list of all practical courses here, and you see, oh gosh, how am I going to find the courses I like? You can either filter by for bachelor courses. You will see here that then all IN.TUM courses, that the bachelor practical course will appear. And some of them even have the master course module code here, but that's okay. Some practical courses are open for bachelor courses and master students. But if you looking for a specific one, you can also search here for robo, for example, and then you say, yeah, that's the one I wanted. Autonomous driving for mobile service robots. Then you put that here on number 1. You can also rank several on number 1. You're saying, okay, these are the ones that's all with robotics. That's what I want. You put them all on 1. You can also kind of rank them. I say I like them to second best, and then the rest is just ranked. Once you have done your choice, you need to save it. And only if it really appears preferences successfully saved, you participate in the matching, then you really have done your choice. So if you do not save it, it's gone. So make sure that you have saved it. And you see here again, in the end, the ones you've chosen and the ones you've not chosen, you've not included. So you have to do this the same for the seminars again. You see here, we have 87 seminars. So you see we have an even higher offer there. You've made your choice, right? Also, there might have been preliminary meetings. Check here if that happened. Yeah, there has been a preliminary meeting via Zoom, and it's clearly said here, this is a master student seminar, no bachelor students. Then you go back, you have made your choice, participate again, say, yes, I've got it, it's the same, just the very same. And then you put your choice here, make a good choice. And then you have to save it again, very important. Yeah, so if once it's green, then it's fine. And if you can go back to the matching portal, I check again. I know I want to change it. So you see here, I participated already. My vote here, and then you have this small edit button, and you click on it, and you go into your saved choice, and you can make choice. You have to save it again. Do not forget to save it, changed and saved. So now you know how to do it. For practical seminars, you need to do both. And then in the end, once the course organizers have answered, or just also put in their preferences, and you will see the results, and it will be put here